Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your learning hub for using LitCommerce app. In this video, we'll show you how to list and import products from TikTok with 3 different cases. And now we'll go with case 1, listing products from your main store on TikTok Shop. First, go and hit Choose Products to List Now. You'll direct to All Products section where you can pick one or all items. Choose the item you want to list. You may tap to see product details, then choose Select Action button and click List Products to Channels. Choose TikTok Shop, and remember that this will go as a draft listing on your channel. Next, we'll edit the shipping template for your listing. You may skip this step. If you need to edit shipping templates, you can add your warehouse, delivery options, and other product details like weight, with or without package, and dimensions in a pop-up window. Once done, click Save and Continue. Once done, we'll get to the category template, where you set up your product categories. Simply use the search bar and enter it. Next, you'll get to choose brand or no brand, as well as fill in the identifier code of mapping variations and product attributes. If not needed, simply click Save and Continue. Now that you got all the setup, it's time to review and publish the listing. There is your draft listing ready to get published. Click it to double check if you have to, or else go back, tick the checkbox, then hit Select Action and choose List on TikTok. Then, switch your TikTok Shop tab to see if the listing published has gone live there. Go to Products, choose Manage Products, and check if the listing status is live. If it's live, you've succeeded. Now we'll go to Case 2, Import Products from TikTok Shop. From the main dashboard, choose Import your existing products now, and redirect to your TikTok Shop. Click Import from TikTok. Answer the questions about auto-linking, re-importing your TikTok products, and specifying what kind of products you wish to import, and we are pretty much done for this step. Now all you have to do is wait for a while for us to import your products. Click Reload on the upper left corner and that's it. Your products will then be automatically imported from TikTok Shop. Here is an example that your TikTok products are successfully imported. Now we'll list one of the imported products from TikTok on your main store. Choose any product you want to list, then hit Select Action and Create on Main Store. Remember, your product will only be listed on the main store if it doesn't exist with the same title. Now go to All Products and use the search bar to look for the product you just list from TikTok to main store if you need a double check. As you see your product created, then click to check its product origin. If it says TikTok Shop, you are pretty done with this step. Let's come to the final case, linking the same products from TikTok and your main store. Choose Link to a product. Our tool will help to find a matching item, then all there left is hitting Select. Then there'll be a naughty up the right corner saying the linking is completed. And that's how you can list on TikTok Shop using LitCommerce with all 3 cases. Thanks for watching.